15.
Didn't you say it's 4 o'clock?
No, 3:15. I said later this afternoon.
I'm only driving my car back and forth to work. I gotta change the thermostat, whatever that. He's sick, and he gets some ham. Was that ham?
Oh, is that ham? Oh my God,
Cough
that's
on it,
ham.
then give it to him.
Hey, why don't you have him take the bumper off today and fix it up for your wife and give her a new bumper back, man? That'd make her happy. It's gonna take 2 days. Let him do it.
Oh, you know what Mikey told me? Since day one, they
I mean,
had
the
that
snow's
bad fire,
done.
the windows haven't worked right.
The snow's
Day
done.
one.
You ready?
They were too busy to bring it
First
back
of all,
down again.
first and foremost, nothing will make my wife happy. That's number one. Number two,
Fuck it.
Fuck is right.
They
that's
paid
under
someone to get
warranty.
it
I
done.
paid someone to get it done. I'm not touching it.
Said your wife's what? Swiss, right?
No.
How come she's not down here doing the transmission?
Fucking bitch.
The Swiss people could do anything, you know.
Here I come.
Huh? I'm not kidding.
Her father's Swiss?
I'm not kidding.
The
Swiss
whole
people.
family.
I thought her father.
Here.
Do you
See?
study American
Alexander Hamilton. This dude.
Okay.
I
Born
I
in the
thought you said
British
Andrew
Virgin
Jackson, motherfucker.
Benjamin Franklin wasn't a president.
Benjamin
Franklin wasn't a president either. Very good. Fucking guy's from Guatemala, and he knows that Benjamin Franklin
fucking
wasn't
guy.
Franklin.
That's
President.
because you went to school with liberal school teachers that weren't going to tell him anything else.
Ben Franklin wasn't a president?
Nah, man.
What, he just flew
You
that
kidding
kite
me?
thing?
Are you kidding me? No kidding me, right?
He invented the cookie,
Sorry,
the Graham
City.
Bell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who's this?
He invented flying saucers. Here.
He wasn't.
UFOs.
UFOs.
He was the only guy that chose not to wear
He
a
was.
hat.
He was fucking all of them, right?
He was the ambassador to France.
Yeah, he's
Banging everybody.
direct reason why France came and helped us out.
Yeah, because he was
Money.
banging all the
Hold on
women.
one
They wanted to get him
But
out of there.
black
Then
preferred.
give him a price on the
How much is it gonna
cost to
45
get him out of
It's
here?
like Bill Clinton.
11949.
Oh god, that is good. My chest hurts. Hold on. So you guys gonna be opening Sundays now?
You got it. And you wanted them white out here. It's already done, but we just wanted to double check. We'll leave all the
Something
info,
won't even be
all
there.
the receipts and stuff.
Hold on 1 second, all right?
Anytime, John. Thank you.
Tim Meineke. Oh, that's funny shit.
245-55. Say, if you want to be on the safe
Okay,
side,
hang on.
call upstate.
Call the state, yeah.
Who is it?
Your neighbor with your dog in the house.
Who's this?
Katrina.
You have my dog? Yeah, you have the dog?
What happened?
Do me a favor, just tie her out somewhere in the road and hopefully she'll get run over.
What? Who is this?
I'll
Our
call
neighbor.
Diane. Thank you.
Katrina.
Oh, I thought you said the train.
I don't know, she probably went to work.
Left
The
dog
front,
outside. Don't worry about that. dog.
the front door, where are you, home or you at?
Just throw her over the fence. Literally.
Silly. Put the leash on and let it down slowly.
Dyer City.
No,
Hello?
she just runs around.
City.
Alright, let me, what's your,
Can I help you?
no, I don't want you to go through that aggravation. Hang on a second,
Put her in the goat house.
what's your number, 87866, what's your number at home?
Put her in Mike's doghouse.
No, yeah, the goat house.
Let me try and get in
Tim,
touch
you're
with
gonna
Diane.
have to
I'll
call
call
me.
you back.
Take care of that.
Another one that's like super long.
Katrina? Hello?
Someday when she gets old and leaves a walking stick behind, somebody's going to say she forgot her cane. Katrina.
And I think she does use a walking stick.
How do you just leave your dog out?
No, because the dog was in the backyard and it got out.
And you don't know
So
it's
you were
out?
gonna
You
leave
just
the
go to
dog out
work?
all day?
Yeah,
It's a
come
little
on.
chilly.
Just called the
Fuck up.
tire store.
Gosh, eh?
Oh, the window
Alright.
guys comes. You pay your window guy to come here?
Alright, bye.
Yeah, he's reasonable.
He's reasonable.
Yeah, $10 or something.
He
Can you
comes
drop
here
it
with the
off
dirty
tomorrow?
water from the last guy.
It's actually pretty clean when he leaves.
Early the better. Drop it and leave it with us.
I said, yeah, she just called you?
Katrina?
No problem. I'll see you then.
Thank you. Bye. sure I'll hear some shit.
Okay, you got it.
Like I said, just to let her run out on the highway. I'm sure my wife will call me and give me some shit about that.
Fucking hate that dog. Fuck that dog. You know what? She didn't leave, Tim. She's home. She's mopping the floor and opened the door, and the dog ran out, and the gate out.
Mike.
I said
Just said
she's
she's at work.
She said that Diane isn't home. I said, well, if she's not home, then she probably went to work. Let me try and call her. I'm so happy for you that everything is so fucking perfect over at the
It's
Scroop
not perfect.
household.
It's just
that you
easy.
guys do
It's not perfect.
everything.
It's when you have
fucking
responsibilities.
equal.
you
Perfect.
take
Just
care of
ran
it.
out of the battery charger for his wife's dildo. Just ran out.
And Pat ran out and got a new one?
He's gonna have problems tonight.
It's not perfect. You have dogs, they're your responsibility. You take care of them.
First of all, that dog is not my responsibility.
It lives in your
I'm
house.
gonna
it's your
take
dog.
that fucking dog and let it go on the expressway.
You keep saying that, but it's 3 years later and you have
Call
not.
the
So
call the
stop
local
bullshit.
ASPCA.
Kind of dog is it?
Stop the nonsense.
It's a
It's a fucking
fucking-
puggle.
Piece of shit, fucking
Listen,
puzzle.
I don't know why
And my
you would take
stupid
those
wife-
two breeds and
My
breed them
stupid
together.
What is the
It's
ugly?
Dumb and Dumber.
What
My
is the
wife
ugly
spent
the ugly part?
1400.
Poodle and a pug.
Okay, poodles are not dumb. They're probably the smartest.
No,
animals
no,
on earth.
No, this
First
is a
of all,
beagle.
it's
and
not
a
a
pug.
poodle.
Okay, you're right, you're right.
It's a pug
Beagle
and a
and a
beagle.
beagle.
Beagle and a pug.
And the beagles aren't dumb either, but they are some headstrong, fucking whacked out dogs. I've had.
I
I think-
fucking whacked that dog the other day.
I think beagles are
I
dumb.
Kick that motherfucker, Eddie. With everything I got, I kick that motherfucker.
I hate that fucking dog. I hope it dies.
Eddie, fuck it, that was good.
Why are you acting like you knew it was on? Why didn't you? Why are you acting like you? I normally go. I normally.
Tell me to get a man's dog.
Yeah, exactly.
And Dan, the best part of it, the dog comes in with a rainbow peace symbol
No, the
collar.
dog comes home. Wait, first of all, she comes home with the dog. They're going to just look at dogs, right? She comes home with this fucking retard dog with a retard name, with my fucking with my daughter's ex-boyfriend and was at her boyfriend at the time. I said, "Who fucking named this dog?"
Where's the
He
computer?
goes, "Oh, I made that name up." I said, "You get the fuck out.
Where's the computer,
Put the
guy?
kid out of the fucking room. Get out." Fucking retard name. It's upstairs.
Just write a check?
Hand write him a check. This was balancing it upstairs. Oh, use those. Leave those there.
How you doing?
Good. You
Need one, not two.
Yeah, he needs one too, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Brad, what do you got, buddy?
2 brake pads for you?
These are for Kevin Gleason.
Yeah, some- there you go. What's today, 30? Okay.
Dog knows it's not supposed to be in the basement, right? No, we got a gate up so it doesn't go down there. Someone went and did laundry, left the gate, the dog's down in the I walk down the basement, the dog sees me and fucking runs like I've never seen a dog run that fast, right up the stairs. She knows she's not, I tried to fucking take her on the way by. Couldn't get it.
I kicked that motherfucker, Eddie. With everything I got.
Why doesn't the dog go in the basement?
Because the dog
Because
isn't
that's where he
allowed
likes
in
to
the
shit and
basement.
pee.
Likes to take a
dog
shit
isn't
in the
freaking
basement.
properly housebroken.
Because the dog doesn't want to be housebroken, because no one wants to listen to Mike.
You know what I would do?
Dog
I'd
goes
get
in the
fucking-
cage
like
and
that
stays
jump
in the
pack.
fucking cage.
I would get a electric collar that uses a battery that size.
No reason to. I have the rubber, you know, the rubber flip-flops you wear, the Adidas ones. Every chance I get, I go whack on that fucking dog's
Kick
ass.
that motherfucker, Eddie.
Guys,
I
thanks.
fucking hate this dog.
We'll see you later, thank you.
I'd say she's a little old for rock and roll.
Miles an hour steady, I get a little bit of this. Probably goes like this. Little chuckles.
Is the engine light on?
No.
Hey, Bob.
Hi. Somebody said it might be like a coil pack that's not
Could be, but the engine light would be on. What, her tires low?
right front stuff.
Okay, you looking at it? The engine light would be on. What year is it?
2000. If you drove the car, you probably wouldn't notice it, but because I'm.
That's for.
Would it pay to experiment and just change the plugs?
You don't wanna pay me for time, just spinning my wheels.
Did he see you come to the window?
He saw me, ignored me. I'm right this close to his window. So, he said it's not, he had a 12 o'clock appointment, okay?
It's 12:30.
It's not that, crucial. I go to the doctor, I sit there for an hour before they call me in.
Am I gonna come on? Don't know.
So no one told me about it, or I would've done it.
Well, I asked him, he was on the phone, I asked him again, he ignored me. Then I
Didn't
asked him
ignore you,
again.
I didn't hear you. If
Then
I
again,
heard you, I
then
would've
asked
fucking
him again.
answered
He
you,
said, has
Tim.
anybody got the guy's keys?
If I heard you,
So
I would've
we're gonna
answered you, Tim. I didn't hear you, apparently.
It'll go on eventually, Bob, but when, who knows? After how many? The problem is, it's gotta go on, or we're guessing. I mean, I
You
can throw
said
coils and
300
plugs in it, but you throw
Says
300 bucks.
300 times it'll come on?
I think 100, but he's saying 300. So,
Why's everything gotta be so even?
This is Debbie's.
yeah.
I'll just start driving them all.
All what stuff? The axle, that,
And
where,
everything in that box, you know.
there's nothing else in the box.
Should be a stud, nut.
I have that, it's in the
should be
car already.
wipers.
It's just an extra chrome lug nut.
Thank you, gentlemen.
She don't need
You
this.
got it. Once it comes on, no, once it comes on, roll it. I'll scan it real quick, we'll say what's going on.
Isolate what the problem.
Yeah, so cylinder 5, so I'll check cylinder 5, I'll see if the coil's bad. If the coil's not bad, we'll check the injector. If the injector's not bad, we go from there.
Does it pay to check those things?
No, because you're checking every
You have
cylinder.
to check every one, you know how much time.
Oh, okay.
That's-
I'll do it. Okay?
Correct?
Yeah, it's not gonna get you stuck. I mean, every now and then this is, it's not gonna get you stuck.
Okay, guys.
That's okay?
Thank you.
You got it.
Tire City. Hello, Tire City. Tire City. What's up? Alright, what tire is that? Does that help you? Okay, hang on, he's walking in. He's walking in the door. City line 1. Pat, A&T needs 2 more tires, but I